Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to uninstall games on a PS5 and free up space. So let's get started. First, from the home screen, go to the top right corner and select the settings gear icon. Then inside settings, scroll down and open storage. Now from there, go to console storage, and then select games and apps. Here you will see a list of all installed games on your PS5. Now select the checkboxes next to the games you want to uninstall. You can also uninstall multiple games or apps at once, just tick the box next to each one you want to remove. Once you have selected everything, go to the bottom right corner and choose delete. Then confirm the action. After this, the selected games will start uninstalling from your PS5. Wait a few moments until the process is finished. And that's it. You have successfully uninstalled games on your PS5. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.